Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you the Invest America sign up process, including one important step that many people overlook. Start by opening the official Invest America registration page and selecting Get Started. You will then be prompted to verify your identity through ID Me before your account can be created. This is the step many people miss or don't complete properly. If you already have an ID Me account, simply sign in. If not, create an ID Me account, verify your email address, enable multi-factor authentication, and complete the identity verification process. Be sure to use your legal name and information that matches your government-issued ID. Any mismatched information could delay your verification. And once your ID is approved, return to Invest America and complete the remaining registration steps. After your account is activated, you'll be ready to access your Invest America dashboard. So that's the Invest America sign up process. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.